What's up, everyone? Adam Dickert here with Progress Realty Partners. Back for another round of Thirsty Thursday. For those of you that don't know what this is yet, we go around giving you guys real estate knowledge, and while we do that, we try locally crafted New Jersey beers. This week we're discussing what is C.A.M, or Common Area Maintenance. And to help us walk through that path, we have Cape May Brewing Company Belgian Style Ale Devil's Reach right here in Cape May, New Jersey. Before we get to it, the initial taste test. We're definitely coming back to this. First off, C.A.M stands for Common Area Maintenance. Common areas of a property could be parking lots, hallways, publicly used bathrooms. The question really becomes, what items are actually included in common area maintenance? Examples of expenses that can be included are things like, snow plowing, the light fixtures in the parking lot, landscaping, trash removal, the sprinkler system around the property, cleaning services, and maybe something like power washing. Basically, any expense that's in a shared tenant space can be included in common area maintenance. In certain situations, C.A.M items are actually reimbursed from the tenants, so it's really important to know who's responsible for what items. And getting back to our little friend here, the final taste test. On a scale of 1 to 10, let's get to 3.8. I'm not a fan of fruity beers, but for those of you that are, this is the Cape May Brewing Company's Devil's Reach. I'm Adam Dickert. We're Progress Realty Partners. Catch you guys next week with a new beer and new information.